Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the pin and the garment ready. Start by choosing the best attachment point near a lapel seam or chest area. First, test the pin on an inconspicuous spot to confirm it won't distort fabric. If fabric is thin, place a small backing patch or fusible tape behind it. Once done, mark the exact insertion point with a fabric-safe marker. Make sure the pin's orientation complements the garment lines so it sits flat and looks intentional. Now attach the pin. Hold the piece against the marked spot and orient the design so it reads correctly to observers. Pierce through both outer fabric and the backing patch, keeping a perpendicular angle to avoid angled holes. This reduces stress on fibers. Once the post is through, seat the clutch or fasten the catch. If it's a stick pin, thread a small stopper. Make sure the pin sits flush and does not tilt, adjusting pressure so tension secures without puckering the cloth. Finish by inspecting the pin from multiple angles and layering garments if needed. A blazer may need a slightly different height than a sweater. If the pin causes puckering, remove it and attach a larger backing, or use a small piece of interfacing to distribute pressure, or switch to a magnetic mount to avoid holes. If the fastener feels loose, replace the clutch with a locking back or gently crimp a metal clutch with pliers. One tip, test with a quick movement to confirm it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.